Good morning, parents. This is a worksheet for today, lesson 51. First, we're going to read the story. Then, you will trace the letters in the words. Then you will write the words on the lines. In the next part, you will match the sound to the picture. So if you see a fish, what sound are you going to write? Yes, If you see the airplane, what sound are you going to write? Yes, E. Now get ready for the next part. Finger on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. That. Next word, finger on the box. Get ready. Fan. Next word, finger on the box. Get ready. Ran. Reading the sentence again. Sound it out. Get ready. That. What word? Yes, that. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Fan. What word? Yes, fan. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Ran. What word? Yes, ran. My turn to read the sentence the fast way. That fan ran. Your turn, reading the sentence the fast way. Get ready. Good job. Kiss your brain. Turn to the back. What do you see in the picture? Yes, that fan ran. Over here on the first part, you're going to cross out the sound R. Then you're going to circle the sound E. On the next part, you're going to match the sounds. On the last part, you're going to practice writing your sounds. And that's it. After you write your sounds, you can color your picture. Remember, you do all your pencil work first. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.